Hello guys and welcome back to Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to change your Facebook name, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile, then go to the three-barred icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings, tap on Account Center. Now go ahead and tap on Profiles. Select the profile in which you'd like to change your name. After that, you can see the name option that appears on top of your screen. You tap on it and then you can simply edit it out as you'd like. Tap on Review Change. You can arrange it as the given options. If you like the first option, you can select the first one. If you like the second, tap on second. After that, simply tap on Save Changes and your name will be updated on your Facebook account. But remember that your name will be permanent until 60 days. If you want to change it within the 60 days limit, you will not be able to do so. And this is how you can change your Facebook name. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.